fall is one of the major cause of confidence loss in people. So which is why I designed this hairbrush, which has got two components: the hairbrush that actually massages through the petal parts, as well as the tank that dispenses the serum that is specifically targeted for the scalp health. So let's see how that works. Basically, you brush as you normally would, but the difference is this massages, and as you massage and as you brush, the serum is going through the scalp root. And why? It is because the scalp health is very important. That's where the life is. The life actually is in the roots, not in the dead part of your hair. It's right here. If the scalp health is looked after, it's moistured and it's nourished, then you can expect better, healthy head full of hair. And remember, scalp is an extension of your face, so it does matter. So try the new brush and see how it works for you.